SME Print Company reduces 60% of the order processing cost by offering Amazon-like experience. 86% of customers says repeat sales depend on post-purchase experience. One of our customers has been an established print shop for 20 years. Earlier, his customers were placing print orders via walk-in, email and phone. One of the significant challenge was that one person was continuously busy answering customer calls to give order updates. They were losing repeat customers as many clients were frustrated for not getting proactive updates. Owner, while ordering on Amazon, realized that his customers were looking for a similar experience, as he got an instant thank you email and order update. Suppose he could achieve Amazon experience, which means happier customers and more repeat business. OnPrintShop order management solution helped him achieve the same, and now his team enters all orders into OnPrintShop, whether they get from email, phone call, WhatsApp, or walk-in. Solution auto sends job tickets with design file to the production team, and auto sends order status email and SMS to customers as production team updates the same. The client can track orders online, and through My Account sections can quickly reorder in the future. OnPrintShop order management solution helped printer reduce 60% of the workforce needed to process orders, and 90% reduction in the questions while customer places an order. Now easily offer Amazon-like experience without an IT team, and at an affordable cost. Check out www.onprintshop.com.